Hey everyone, and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So, today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm going to be opening a box from Harry and David. So, this is a company that, they have fresh fruits and all kinds of good stuff. So, I actually bought this. This is not a paid promotion. And so, I'm so excited. I got this in the mail today. I just ordered it a couple days ago. So anyway, as I was saying, or I'm thinking, when I was a kid, I used to love fresh fruit. I thought I guess I didn't cut it very well, the tape. But as a child, my favorite part of Christmas, or one of the favorite parts, was always having fresh fruit and nuts, and that was something. But it would usually be tropical fruits, and let's see, I got that tape off, yay. It would be tropical fruits and just mixed nuts, and the Brazilian nuts would be the last to go. Okay, I got the tape off, yay. So let me turn this around. So, let's see what they have in here. Okay, this is nice. Ooh, look at this. So you see they have cheeses and meats and candies. Bonbon. So they have all kinds of goodies. Okay, so they give you a coupon. Don't be taking my membership code. Okay, and then what's this? Oh, they're asking you to buy from other things here. All right. So then, Royal Riviera pears. They're from Oregon. Oh, I'm so excited to see this. Okay, so they said to ripen, keep your pear in the box. I'm not going to be happy if they're not ready and ripe to eat right now. I'm like all excited because it's Christmas time. Oh, look at this. So they got one pear wrapped in gold. And then they have the pears. They look beautiful. They feel ripe. So here's one. Isn't that beautiful? Doesn't smell like anything yet. And then they have these apples. I don't know what kind of apples these are, but they're really pretty. Look at that. Isn't that apple beautiful? And then there's cheese. I don't even know how to pronounce this. You know it's fancy when you don't know how to pronounce it. It's been a long time since I had French class. Tuvel. Oh, it smells. You can't tell the smell. They must have it really wrapped tight. Alright. So then they have Gouda cheese. Gouda cheese is Gouda. And then sharp white cheddar cheese. Now this stuff is good. Alright. So I don't know. I don't think there's anything else. This is just cheese. Oh, I can't wait. You know what I need to do is make a fondue with this. You know, that would be really good to have fondue and cut up the vegetables. And then I have this big old pineapple right here. Would you believe I got this pineapple for 99 cents at Kroger? But I'm getting ready to roast that pineapple. But ooh, I bet some cheese would be good. I don't know what type of cheese this is. So I'm going to have to look it up. I wonder, it says, I don't know, it doesn't really tell you. It just says it's Tuvel cheese original, perishable. Okay, and so this is so cute. Oop, don't look so nice on this side, but on this side it looks impressive. So that's what I got in the mail for myself for Christmas, and I can't wait to have some of this and share it with my family and make some fondue. And oh my goodness, I'm just so excited. So anyway, Merry Christmas, and I want to thank you for 500 plus subscribers. We're halfway to the goal of 1,000 plus people. So make sure you share and tell your friends about my channel. And also, if you would like, please click on my channel here. Click on the next playlist. Watch some more. You know, learn some more about cooking. You know, watch some of my goofy videos. So anyway, thank you so much again. I appreciate you, and thank you for stopping by.